Sofia, what are you doing? Taking a picture to the fridge?
Well, yes, I'm trying to know what I want to eat. So I'm asking this AI service to recommend some recipes based on the ingredients that I have in my fridge. And then with generative AI, it recommends some recipes up to my taste. And I can select the recipe. It gives me the details of how to cook it and what ingredients I'm missing.
Really?
Yeah, it's
awesome.
amazing.
We're just playing how it works.
Of course, yes. Take a look.
So all I have to do is log into my app and then click on the scan button so I can take a picture of my fridge like this. And then once the picture is ready, it will call the API for vision that will detect the ingredients. And then if I choose, for example, Arabic food, it will recommend some recipes. Let's go with the first one. And now it's pinging, calling the generative AI service that will provide the recipe details and the missing ingredients for the recipe, as you can see on the screen.
Oh, interesting. I would like to understand the technical details.
So as for the more technical side, I've used Visual Builder, which is a low-code service for Oracle, to create an easy and quick application where we can scan the items in your fridge, and it's connected to all the AI services. For the AI services, I trained a model in data labeling with a data set of pictures of vegetables and ingredients in the kitchen. That is then converted into an AI vision model, also in OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, where you can input an image of what you have in your fridge and it will come out with the ingredients. So like tomato, jalapeno, broccoli, and so on. And from there, it's connected to the generative AI service that will give you a recipe based on those ingredients, which is very smooth and easy. As you can see, it gives you 3 recipes based on your preferred cuisine, and then the details of the recipe and the ingredients that you need for it.
Okay, so you take the data set and you label each item of the items that you want to train, isn't it?
Yes.
And using Vision Service, you train the model and consume the Vision API from the Visual Builder mobile application.
Yes.
To identify the ingredients that you have in the fridge. And the last stage is invoke the Generative AI API to identify the recipes, the ingredients, the steps to cook this recipe, isn't it?
Yes, that's correct.
Oh, very interesting. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much, Sofia.